Last month, one of my students sent me a message. He said, "Teacher, I know English words, I understand grammar, but when I try to write something, my mind becomes empty. I don't know how to start. I don't know what to write." He had an important exam coming soon, but his writing skills were very weak. So I gave him a simple plan, a plan that anyone can follow. And guess what happened? After just 2 weeks, he was able to write a full page without stopping. After 1 month, he scored the highest marks in his class writing test. Today, I want to share the same writing method with you. So if you want to write better English, simple, clear, and correct, stay with me until the end. Let's begin. Step 1. Read before you write. Good writers are always good readers first. Before writing anything, try to read something small every day. It could be a short story, a small article, a simple English post, or even a children's book. Reading gives you ideas, sentence patterns, and useful vocabulary. Your brain slowly learns how good writing looks and sounds. Step 2. Think in small lines, not big paragraphs. Many beginners try to write long paragraphs from the very beginning. This makes writing difficult and stressful. Instead, start with small and simple lines. For example, "My day was good. I enjoy learning English. I want to travel one day." Small lines build your confidence, and confidence is the first step to good writing. Step 3. Use the 3-sentence formula. This formula is very simple but very powerful. Use it every time you write. First, write a topic sentence. This tells the reader what you are writing about. For example, "My favorite hobby is cooking." Second, write a detail sentence. Explain your idea a little more. For example, "I enjoy cooking because it helps me relax." Third, add an example sentence. For example, "On weekends, I like trying new recipes for my family." This simple formula keeps your writing clear and organized. Step 4. Learn phrases, not fancy words. You don't need difficult vocabulary to write good English. What you really need are useful phrases. For example, "In my opinion," "The main reason is," "On the other hand," for example. These phrases help connect your ideas and make your writing flow smoothly. Even simple English can look very professional when your sentences are connected well. Step 5. Write for 5 minutes every day. Set a timer for 5 minutes. During those 5 minutes, just write. Don't stop. Don't edit. Don't worry about mistakes. Write whatever comes into your mind. This method is called free writing. It helps your brain feel comfortable with English writing. My student followed this step every night, and in just 1 week, he was writing twice as much as before. Step 6. Check your writing after you finish. After you finish writing, read your sentences again. Check 3 simple things. First, are the sentences simple? Second, are your ideas clear? Third, are there any spelling mistakes? You don't need to fix everything, just correct the small errors. Small corrections can lead to big improvement over time. So remember these simple steps. Read every day. Write small sentences. Use the 3-sentence formula. Learn useful phrases. Practice writing for 5 minutes daily. Check your writing and rewrite 1 paragraph every week. If you follow these steps for the next 30 days, your writing skills will improve more than you can imagine. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.